The second half of the season is underway and the title race is getting more interesting with every game. This past weekend, we saw two big giants playing against their rivals. And guess what? They are par on points, and we are going to be unbreaking that today. My name is Nhlanhla Sechele, and this is the Junior Kanye TV. On my left, I've got Junior Kanye. On my right, I've got Michael Nkambule. This episode is brought to you by World Sports Betting, hashtag WSB, hashtag bet with the best. Gents, how are you doing?
Enhle kusunjani mfethu?
Nitrend wena?
Ya ngiright kakhulu.
Michael,
Hlekelelo.
ilibele iyadla emnyama.
Hayi.
Kodwa-ke yasutha induku in the past two games. The last time you and I, all three of us were together, there was a 6-point gap between Orlando Pirates and Mamelodi Sundowns. As we speak now, they are par on points, and the only thing that separates them is the goal difference. We saw what happened this past weekend. Let's start first about what is going on. We'll get into the games later. Asisho ukuthi bafike kanjani la bafike khona? How did they lose i-Orlando Pirates against Mamelodi Sundowns? Bazithole sebalingana ngama-points.
Ona Nhlanhla into engingayisho man ngePirates. iPirates mina ngisasho namanje. Is a strong team ku-PSL. But I think no coach naye manje ne. Angazi yini into enokungena engqondweni yakhe because ama decision awathathayo. I think iPirates izolethwa ama decision wayo phansi. Yeah, because if you check line up adlale ngayo ku-Sundowns, like bengathi Sundowns akayihloniphi, ngathi akayazi Sundowns ukuthi inhloboni kaPende yamtshwana. So I think we undermining the Sundowns nalento yakhe like yokurotate ischeme kakhulu. I think nayo izombulala kakhulu le.
Uye washo ukuthi khona la izombamba khona.
Yeah.
And imagine Mbambe at a very crucial game, because I mean, like, not that it was a league decider, but it could have set the tone of what Pirates' intentions are this season. But now they lapsed and then they lost the 3 points. Kumanje.
Yeah, Nhlanhla into engingayisho njengayo ku-Oward umelazi ukuthi i-Sundowns like ayifana lawo amanye ama-team. Nabantu Nhlanhla sikhuluma ngabantu abawini i-league how many years man? Mhlambe it's been 8
eight
years.
seasons, yeah.
Yeah, imagine akusabantu ukuthi ungathi udlala nabo banyanse. So every time udlala nabo abantu kumele you must bring out your best players ukuthi bazocompete.
Nakya. Wathi ngantshela ngathi second half isazoshuba le league isasekude.
Angeke ngisho
Wathi
kanjalo.
siyibhale phansi.
Angeke ngisho kanjalo. I
Sayibhala
won't say
phansi.
that, yeah. And namanje ngisasho ibhale phansi. It's going to happen. Yeah, Sundowns is going to win the league. Yeah.
Like I said, we see the last time like we gathered here, there was a 6-point gap between number 1 and number 2,
Yeah.
which number 1 then was Orlando Pirates, still is, but the only thing that separates them now equal difference. So yini le uyibonile esingayibonanga thina
Yeah.
akusikhumbuze ukuthi what is it that we missed, how did they get there?
I think ngongele ngwenye lapha entabeni eshayike bisemhlophe ukuhleba nje.
Yeah.
Yeah, hayi ngiyadlala Nhlekise ngokuzithoba. Nhlekisithi, let me be honest to you. I-football akusisekhasi Nhlekise. Yeah, i-football akusiyoyo. I-football, these people they playing for 15 million. I'm talking about the Premiership. Like I said, we saw a prediction, and then Michael said Sundowns will lose.
Sabuya la.
Sometimes I get it wrong, Michael
Yeah.
get it right. But to tell the truth, meaning I said the Pirates, Sundowns going to win 2-1. And it happened exactly that.
Yeah.
Ile nto bengisho first round of the season. Ngabona le nto rotation. You can't fix it when it's not broken. You might get it right today. Sometimes it's okubamba. You understand? Going to Mamelodi Sundowns, you're playing against the high profile squad, assembled squad. Ngikhuluma nge-Africa as a continent. I'm not talking about South Africa. Those players psychologically, they are very strong. I'm not talking on the talent, the grounding. We talk about national team players that play AFCON before last year, or last year, January, February. They went to semi-final, almost a coffee team. So, first round of the season, Sundowns started a bit slow. I think it was a coaching. Coach will compromise. A lot of involvement between Fleming, I believe, meaning a coach compromising too much. Ilenta my favorites. I don't understand. Ngekudlala sokuthi World Cup as Sundowns outclassing about Dortmund. You understand? Pound to pound. You're talking about the high-profile team. Sure. Dortmund, and then you play against Flaminians. Let's say Brazil. Brazil, there's talent. And then you play pound to pound against them, and they came equal. And then you come in to a Premiership, you lose game, you draw games that they're not supposed to draw. Or draw a riches play, and then there's a big problem there. So going to my first round of the season, it was a mindset from the coach. Ilento ukuthi it doesn't trust some other players. You remember the into bekazenza playing abulungu ahead of abumdiba doesn't make sense. Well done to Mdunyela. He came ahead of. Sometimes I think I remember kunama crisis in there was a contract ku Sundowns Homdaw, and then Mdunyela came. Imshayela izandla mfana did very well. It's unfortunate he compete against the best in Africa. But sometimes they've got two best players wing back around Africa as a continent, not in South Africa. Those players in Kuma technically, timing, decision making going forward. They can also deal with 1v1. Going to Orlando Pirates. Amfethu ngakutshela ngathi ngicompliment abomqolisi mina abantu abazi behind the scene Grootman la kapapila lazi bhola and also Ivan Khoza, because you can't bring material yobhadala ubani asimshayela izandla Dr. Ivan Khoza, bring those materials sikhuluma ukuletha lama players lapha abo police because when you have money, if I spend it, it's a waste. They identify as strong quality players. Ngikhuluma ngama experience and younger players, developing players that they abathatha ngesikhathi. Ngikhuluma ngombokazi wezi now, how much Pirates make ngalo mfana na wenze malini ngaye. So compliment Orlando Pirates, but losing that boy Mbokazi.
So you said,
Hlanhla,
and
I
you
told it.
uhlezi ukhuluma ngala maplayer ahambile,
Yeah.
right? And now the cracks are beginning to show. Umbokazi's departure, Mabasa's departure,
Nkotha.
Nkotha's departure, Nonda.
Yeah.
Ukuthi like isikhala sabo manje like
Yeah.
sizobonakala,
Yeah.
especially in the second half
Yeah.
of the season.
Yeah.
So right now we are seeing those cracks. And there was signings that were made as well.
Yeah.
But still, Junior, they had a healthy gap.
Yeah.
But igap seyivalekile.
Yeah.
Ama-points ayalingana.
Yeah. Cela ukusho ikhoya Pirates and Chiefs ku development. Iface kusho ukuthi ngenza impande inhlanhla kufana nawe wakasichebe wena. If bangakuthatha
Usitshele.
sichele I mean to say sorry Nklix.
Yeah.
Yeah, sichele. If bangakuthatha manje bathi kune cultural gathering ka Khumalo or kabanibani ngwenya, you go there umndeni mawenza whatever in terms of indaba ze culture zomndeni naba kwenze leyo nto leyo kungukuthi umndeni wakini mhlambe wona they are not even invited, you are not from there, wenze whatever le into zakho zohlangana enhlanhla. Ngithanza ukuthi intambo ziyophambana. I don't know whether you get my point. Because ukuthi intambo eradio ngena la white khona white ingene ku radio
And Mila.
akumelanga. Clicks to tell the truth, the development the Orlando Pirates, mangikhuluma nge-development the Orlando Pirates, ngikhuluma ngoNkotha, Mahongotha, i-face,
Sure.
yeah, this is what we have. I-culture, identity, sign ama-player.
Right.
Ngikhuluma from development. Mbokazi,
Yeah.
this is what we have. Really, yes, develop a school, but Pirates developed nine sandla because Mlandi spend the season with development. Rank Orlando Pirates. Those three players ngiyazi really where from. And also players that they bring, they must be, especially mangabo spend imali. Because of the experience, made babe 2 times better than what Pirates have. Yangani kusho ukuthi laba bayi-face from development. You sign players with Tina Spetintenji. At the backs nombokazi simdevelopile now. As no really from the school, but not use nesandla sisifakile from our development, simsane from development. Go school samletha ku developments. Nonkotha simdevelopile now. If you come here, you must be closest this. If you HRK ahead, you must be better than this. So Pirates compliment in terms of developing those players. Abafike bafithe like a club. Nkotha udlala indima enkulu koLorlando Pirates. Ngiyambona undawo mfethu mina ngimthanda. You see Nhlanhla by letting that guy go after ukambisa this boy Mbokazi, which is mina bengibelieve ukuthi Mbokazi mele adlale naye futhi ndawo. You can't put Ndawo mfethu on the bench. Esikhuluma ngequality, Nhlanhla lo yamjida angeke abe kule squad se-AFCON se Nigeria last year. Yeah, I understand siye ku AFCON. Ubonile le team in Nigeria, we talk about international players, and then Pirates ngamdlalisi, it doesn't make sense. So baluza Mbokazi vital, and then brings busy kula problem ezoba khona. I think ne season last year bayiluze kanjalo. Yeah, they lost. Usbisi was playing there, sometimes compromising about okay lo mfana lo ube leader Mbokazi, him alone beyakwazi ukuthatha cabanga umfana, lo mfana was born to be a leader. Sometimes yazali really undecided ama game khoma kunama game undecided. So unfortunately into enzakalayo now losing those 2-3 players 4 ngikhuluma nangoNkotha, lo mfana udlalile Yeah, Nkotha, I can't compare him with Relay, but the boy make no mistake. Yeah, udlalile umfana and then he left. Now le okay pasang bayivale. Bringing those players okhuluma ngawo. Yes, abomprem they are good players, but not being developed properly. Yeah.
According to the structure and the system as a Pirates, so that they understand.
Kunama game la uzomnida khona. Ilento engihlale ngisho players abangadevelopanga mina nginejive now. There's no player that ever even won the Ballon d'Or Nhlanhla, or even in the history that won the World Cup team. Ubheki kho. Khuluma ngabo Argentina, I'm talking about Spain. Ubheki team ikho. Develop players onke. Talented but developed. Proper developed. So unfortunately, yes, abomrem they are good players, but kunala uzobanida khona most where it matters most angeba vele. You understand? So iPirates ukuluza lama player lawo, I don't think igap bayivala with those players. And it's unfortunate to relate as ngisho kunama game, especially first round of the season, the boy didn't do well, but now he's coming to the party. But you need more of a team yonke. iPirates enye into abashayile iSundowns into eyenzile kuleya game. They took care of certain players. iPirates inalo
Fast and
jive.
quick, yeah,
I think into kumele bayilungise. Wadu team yakhe le. Into enginotice ngayo. If you close the relay and then you close ngikhuluma ngevital, you close umrem, you close up police, is done.
The Pirates yonke was going to suffer.
They playing individual brilliance. Sometimes they rely on that. Akusenkinga vele, we know Chiefs and Pirates they used to, but sometimes as a team, ngikhuluma ngesystem team yonke, they need to function. And there's certain players anenkinga now direct word. La mina bengisho khona with second round of the season nejive. Abombule benzeni fit. Ngeke ngibuye kuAFCON manje ngumbule. I did very well first round of the season, and then uzothatha unomuntu ejele osele with AFCON akambanga, and then uzomdlalisa ahead of me ngizokhawatheka.
Yeah.
So unfortunately compromise kakhulu and lose certain players that are so vital, and then also the coach anganda ilento engihlale ngisho Michael mentioned something, and must go hayi ukuthi yena Michael. Some coaches I believe they are agents man in South Africa, not in South African football nje. Asimind ukuthi wenza imali, but don't do money wenza imali ngendlela wrong. Make money in the right way. Ang understand mina like serious if
So you think it could be the case there?
amanye ama-coaching believe ukuthi phela unomuntu ejele start very well, nami ngingamshayela izandla, but to play ahead of Mbuli noma ungenzi next consistent to start games 3 games in a row, akhona into ebenzakala
And 3 games in a row, Mbuli is not there.
no khona into eyenzakala behind nabo Mbutuma to start angisifeni ngamahopa, but if the guy is doing well many ngisho he came and score.
Yeah, and that's what he'll do.
Yeah,
Give him a chance, he'll
and
always
then
score.
uqala ngoMbutuma kule game ayineskelele neskelele.
Michael,
More than that.
what did it? Ngifuna sivale ne, because now we're looking at how Pirates league is almost slipping away in their hands, right? And like ngisho ngithi like bebaza kahle, they were cruising nicely, you know. And then right now that cruise is gone. Seba under pressure, and do they have what it takes to sustain that pressure all the way until the last day of the league?
Mina Nhlanhla into engingayisho manje ngePirates badropile ama-point, it's fine, bebalide iSundowns, there's ama-chance ukuthi bayiwine league, but mina ngithanda Maiso.
Okay.
Yeah, mina ngithanda Maiso because we've seen it before. iSundowns iChiefs leader iSundowns. First prediction aka ku-dispute makazothi iChiefs angeke iwine league. They were leading with 13 or 14 points Nhlanhla. So for mina I think ngithanda Maiso le race. It's very open, wonke umuntu une-chance. iPirates neSundowns manje akekho umuntu kumele bayenzele ama-favor, wonke umuntu kumele azenzele i-favor nje kuphela. But into engizoyisho ngo-Owadu, if uyalifuna le cup akayekela ukudlala Nhlanhla. And manje into ekumele yazi Nhlanhla uOwadu une-E1 Nhlanhla. Pirates is a different team. I know Chiefs and Pirates amahlapa amakhulu way-2.
Sure.
But we check in terms of supporters is not the same.
Then it's not.
Winile ama-cup angacabanga ukuthi uzorelax. Bazomlanda ejimini phela. Makazodlisa labantu bazomlanda ejimini phela. So into ekumele yazi ukuthi iPirates Nhlanhla is one team whereby ukuthi
You'll be held accountable.
exactly. Even ama-players uyabona bonemthajela nabo manje baqale kahle bebashayela izandla, but manje ama-supporter bese kuyo benzani ayaba-attack, and hayi ukuthi sebaluzile let's say league or ini Nhlanhla,
Mara.
but still abantu basesewu-number 1 phela.
But that's number one, but the people don't want that, Michael.
Ile nto engizama
Like
ukuyisho.
ngisho ngithi abantu bebajabulele them being ahead. So right now sebasemuva and manje kwatisa ama-fan lento le.
Yeah, ile nto engisho ngithi uMr Owadu manje mina athole yonke into ngendlela yakhe ibe right manje, ngoba lento yakhe chopping and changing ilento eshow uNontozo akha manje ukuthi lento yakhe izombulala Nhlanhla. Yeah, I think into yenze iPirates ukuthi islower down kakhulu, idrop ama points kwezinye indawo nala ngimelanga idrop. it's because of lento yakho kufuna ngathi uya experience man and le club enkulu le Nhlanhla le awukwazi uku-experience labantu bafuna i-league phela iqala lento kuyenzeka na last season bebagijimisa i-league so abafuni lento ibaphinde Nhlanhla.
Yeah. All right. Talking about that, Michael, Saturday, the 28th of February, 3:30 at FNP Stadium, there was Kaizer Chiefs and Pirates, the Soweto Derby. It's not the original Soweto Derby. It is the Soweto Derby that has been making this country, this continent, to a certain extent, umhlaba, uya manje, makuile ya encounter. So, Chiefs and Pirates, Chiefs was the host. It was hosting Orlando Pirates. And Orlando Pirates came in as the underdogs, obviously, because badliwe the last two games, and people said it was going to be a walkover. Chiefs like Pirates, izobafundisa ibola, but unfortunately, it happened the other way around. The score was 3-0. 5 minutes into the game, Moremi scores and changed the tone of the game completely.
And Nhlanhla, let me tell you something. Labantu laba bathi Chiefs izodla Pirates, labantu abafavi Chiefs. Kusabantu ababukela ibhola Nhlanhla. You understand Nhlanhla?
Yeah.
Like into engike ngayinothisa like into engibonile nge-Chiefs manje ne. Like ama-supporters they are serious ukudlula ama-player Nhlanhla. Yeah, we understand. I don't think ukuthi ama-players serious because monga-check ama-supporters we-Chiefs, the-Chiefs they can play bad, but ngothola ama-supporters bayi-defenda leya club Nhlanhla with everything they have.
True.
You understand abona Nhlanhla?
Yeah.
Bayivikela leya club. And then njoba ngitshela the difference between bona ne-Pirates. I-Pirates Nhlanhla ngodlalela i-Pirates uyazi ukuthi lapha kumele ubayiswe Nhlanhla lapha bazokubulala lapha Nhlanhla ngoba yabona sibonile manje ngabanga unemtajela manje lento enzakalile. So I think i-difference between i-Chiefs ama-supporters ne-Pirates yiyo la kuba ne-different enkulu. Pirates ayimeli ishit angeke bathi wagontswemba ngegontswemba no, they can't ukuthi bayimele lento leyo. Kibo into if this is bad angeke soloko bathi bayinesa Nhlanhla yabo. So but into masingayisho if we can go check like i-game Chiefs on Saturday, you could see ukuthi mobheka ama-player. Do you think those guys Nhlanhla basafuna ukudlalela i-Chiefs?
But here's the thing, Michael. That was identified. Ukuthi they are a team, but they do not play like a team. Like engathi abajimi bonke, engathi like yabo omunye nomunye ujima la jima khona bahlangana ngelanga lokudlala. Or the day before bakempe, and then maqeda ukempa bathi okay gents vayani dlalani na into yenu. Because like there's no chemistry between a player with Chiefs, like whereby like ubabone now which know they want this thing, they're moving as a team, bayadlala because kuyadlalwa, but now they don't play and want to win this thing for a Kaizer Chiefs. But again, it's also a psychological thing. It's also again a management thing, because you cannot bring those people out there bangazwani ngalendlela yokuthi mabaye empini njengamasoja. They're going there to come out with one mission and one mission only. Ingathi lo nemission yakhe, lo nemission yakhe, lo nemission yakhe, but it still does not give that thing that this is a solid team.
Mina Nhlanhla into engayisho nge-Chiefs nayo Nhlanhla lento ngosingamane sisho i-Chiefs is a big team South Africa. Lokho siyakwazi Nhlanhla, but they must behave like one now Nhlanhla. Because manje akusafani nakucala boma 10 years back whereby wonke umuntu izitream bekafuna ukudlalela i-Chiefs. Abantu manje sebabheka isikhwama manje the best players manje ngobatshela ngemali bafuna ukuzwa ama-figures ukuthi umofara malini. So I think i-Chiefs manje now it's time ukuthi nayo ibuyele ihambe ikhiphe imali Nhlanhla, because ngaphandle kwaloko Nhlanhla basazostruggle. You check their development akusafani nakucala i-Chiefs before they had a stronger development njengoba ngisho wonke umuntu wanted to play for the Chiefs. We understand. So mongabheka na i-Chiefs yayidominator but without ukuthi ithenga ama-player amaningi. Because every year they were promoting Nhlanhla. Not ama-player amancane, big players Nhlanhla, ama-player afika yenza impact, you understand. But now if we are checker bahambile bawahire uNabi and then they fire uNabi and then bashiya lama-2 assistants ezena uNabi. What was the use ukuthi ufire uNabi? Because already ushiye lento le uNabi bekeze. That's why the best coaches namhlanje Nhlanhla they have their own assistant. Makathi ngiyaquita baquita wonke umuntu ubeka tools down bayengela. But how can ukuthi umuntu ngize nomuntu shiya lo muntu sicosha wena?
Shiya abantu engize nabo.
Sazothina sizoqhubeka ngale continuity yalo yamuntu le. So mina I think i-Chiefs na kusamele ziningi into kusamele zenzeke from management Nhlanhla kumele kube ne-reshuffling. Think lapha they must hire somebody.
Management kanjani family business?
No, even if it's a family business, but Nhlanhla abantu abasafarayo abantu abathanda leya club. Abantu abathanda leya club. Pheka leya club Nhlanhla even if iluza kanjani ama-supporter they will still go to the stadium. That's why ngikutshela the difference between the Pirates and the Chiefs. check Pirates na ukuthi stadium iPirates ndla mayidliwa ba stadium labantu bazokutshela straight they won't waste their money ndla so I think but manje ku Chiefs manje ayi
So you think Kaizer Chiefs fans must follow suit nabo bangayi stadium mhlambe bazobuya abafana?
no ndla those people baletha ama million kuleya club ndla ngaphandle kokuthini ndla kumele labantu laba nabo babacabangele ndla it's very painful njoba ngitshela ndla ukuthi those guys they are serious than ama player ndla yeah they are serious than ama player if you can check labantu mabadliwe ndla the way ba behave ngakhona you could see ukuthi labantu laba baphatheka kabi kakhulu ndla
Abadli nokudla. Thabo. So unfortunately we didn't meet to predict what may happen in the derby.
Yeah.
But the reflection of the game, the score of the game, knowing and understanding Kaizer Chiefs and looking at how the Orlando Pirates has been playing throughout the season, do you think that was a true reflection of the game?
Ubani bewathi iChiefs izodla iPirates. It was a mountain to climb that.
Angithi Michael uyachaza ukuthi abantu bebasho kanjani abantu abafavor iChiefs not abantu ababheka ibhola. So do you agree?
Mountain to climb.
All right.
As facing a reality.
Sure.
How many players dominated AFCON? I'm talking the biggest tournament in the...
There was not a single player from Kaizer Chiefs.
So how many Pirates players that dominated in AFCON?
There was like a significant amount of them.
Yes.
Yeah.
And Tlantla, the Kaizer Chiefs and Orlando Pirates, they are no longer the same match. Pirates, I think they are better than Kaizer Chiefs in all. Yes, in terms of the marketing, ubukhosi yabuzalelwa Nhlantla. Kaizer Chiefs, I think the family uNkulunkulu uyababusisa in terms of ubukhosi because irrespective ukuthi niluza kangakanani. I mean labantu almost 10 years before Nedbank last year bangawini trophy, which is thina sikhulela lapha besingayazi lo nto le. But supporters, they used to kuba this thing ukuthi soyiwina le cup. Each and every trophy that was put on the table, I'm talking about South Africa official trophy, bebana this thing ukuthi soyiwina. Irrespective ukuthi management behavior kanjani, bebana this thing ama supporters ukuthi soyiwina. Because ukuthi ubukhosi buyazalelwa. And sponsors, they never left Kaizer Chiefs. Mina knowing working with sponsorship, even now personally, sponsors want winners. Yeah, but there's no brand that want to associate themselves no muntu oluzayo. No, my brands they run away. Kufana noma ngabe we brand a road want to stand your reputation or you're not winning still bazokubiza. They will be mhlambe visit in terms of the meeting and stuff. But Kaizer Chiefs they keep on getting after Nike leaving, which isn't believe with the Nike in a reason why ihambile.
Okay.
Yeah, that's me. That's me. That's my belief.
Reason. Okay.
That's my belief because Nike is the biggest brand in the world, entire world. It's said, man, supporters sing each and every game they come in numbers and support the team, especially their Badlala always in Kulmamam came up. They playing in one of the biggest stadium in the country. FNB is the biggest. That's why Nedab was hosted there. It's set kakhulu Nhlantla. Kuba nama expectation. I mean, as kume ngama player abawasayinela. I scale him this. Nhlantla mangithi scale him. Those are yazi mfethu ngiyazi uma ikhelu uyasho ukuthi ama players ngathi abafuna ukudlala. Khona ukuthi ufune uthola ukuthi not there's no quality there.
But what do you mean? Uthola ukuthi uyafuna but there's no quality.
Players,
because remember ispan, ne?
Yeah.
And then mawu ispanini wena wakho kwenza ispan sakho.
Yeah.
And ispan senu siyafana.
Yeah.
Because ispan senu is to come back with a win.
Yeah.
Regardless ukuthi ini kuphi kanjani.
Yeah. Athi kenzela umzekelo. Ngayelwa noma iKelly fight manje bathi East London or whatever la Emperors. And then if I iphelela ku 8 round. Ngiyolwa noma iKelly trainer 3 times a day uma iKelly trainer. Yes, maybe we train but yes, it depend. Maybe now trainer but ekugcineni noma iKelly quality uzongishaya. Ngilibele ngitrainer mhlambe isikhathi ngitrainer almost 3 times a day and every day. So ngichaza ukuthi ku Michael technically might be better than me. Uphethe energy, he understand exactly where la kumele ngishaye khona ukuze ngigcine ngayifiki to the 8th round. In the round number 5, 6 and then Michael uyangibamba kayi1 la ku rip and then ngihlala phansi done. So the point is here. Mhlambe ngibe specific. Ubheka iPirates i-technical team yabo. Ubheka iSundowns ngikhuluma nge-management technical. Ku Sundowns ngikhuluma nge-Sundowns mina Sundowns check how many former players who are there.
Okay.
I'm talking about board meeting, board room ya Sundowns mabazohlala. So if Teko comes there, ubheka ingqondo yakhe yona. Ingqondo kaTeko. Hlompo Kikane sitting there Tian Mabunda. Players that won Champions League and league many times. did very well individual, even as a team. And also Guno Umvilagazi. There's many couple of players. Surprise Morir is there. Leangondo. Ipotru maisha babiza labantu. And then the technical team speak, and then they say Msambuteko raise a hand. In fact, 100% out of 10 you'll get something 8% right with the Komdise. It's got nothing to prove. He's no longer playing. He paid the game. I got proven next. So, lengondo maisha ni board. Former players, ipingondo yami ukuthi ipoint lami lelo ukuthi kune football brain at Sundowns. Abonyando they still there. Upeki development at Sundowns as well. I was surprised. Development at Sundowns, it's more thing on the ball later. Yeah, angazi yangbamba. The structure of the team, the Trotmoloto that is there. No man obvious. I would think into we will agree in the relationship, but in on the football there. And then go to Orlando Pirates. Ucheke that they Begunabo Prasten, which is Prasten did very well for Kaizer Chiefs before go to Orlando Pirates. He brought so many
Sundowns as well.
Sundowns experience. Prasten. They brought up to that they are there. Just check it in Atlanta. You must I know their development. All I'm saying is Gunengondo football at Orlando Pirates. Also compliment to Mbumi Koza and Nkosana for listening. I understand that because how they sign players, they went back to the identity, the culture of the team. Not everybody can play for Orlando Pirates. Special players that need to be there. They spend, but not like Sundowns, but Bona, they are wise in terms of talent scouting.
Okay.
Yeah, scouting sabo, talent scouting, something else. Also development structure sabo, abana under 17, under 15, but in Kumanga TTC and also SAP and APC. Quality players if you can go there in Atlanta. So
and then Izangala Pell.
Going to Kaizer Chiefs. Going to Thabo Lawrence Tsikitsiki Moki that has never played for another team except Kaizer Chiefs. Where is he now? Not even involved with Kaizer Chiefs. A player bekumele ngabe labasiza ngengqondo. Just ukuthi not ukukhuluma kakhulu. About scouting kuThabo. He knows that he's going to bring a player el deserve ukudlala la. And then I'm talking goalkeeping department to Brian. Done well for the team. Where is he now?
Is Kunin not part of that?
No. Singashasha ninyaringa nomfana noma ngabe bambiza to be part yokuthi ube.
So basically, Junior, what you're saying is like umuntu okhule umbheka.
Yeah.
And then to be in the same room
or understand the culture.
Or understand the culture, or understand the philosophy, or understand everything that happens there.
So
Gudingega.
Yeah.
Uguti abekhona, so that the next generation can actually sponge from there.
Yeah. So Kaizer Chiefs, honestly speaking, the way family technical team, technical management, I think the plan was signing these ama players that they don't have contract, free agents. Would no more available to bring him. I talanga manje, even bring wrong coaches, the identity, the culture abu mine Ernest. I talanga manje, Ernest abu Sole ubano Salis Solinas. That emoshega kakhulu. Abu bring abu Nabi, abu Stuart Baxter winning top goal scorer, key defender. That was a big problem for Kaizer Chiefs. So yonke into yaqhubeka. So now they needed to go back in Atlanta, spend money. With bringing abantu abazokutshela ukuthi what to do abane knowledge ebhola bengana nkinga bring uPitso assistant yakho boRulani I'm talking about high profile coaches provile who understand South let alone baye ngaphandle and then ozodlona lona lapho mele kuvaye almost a team yonke even technical team I'm talking about coaches laba bengamelanga nje babe la and then restructure the development ngisazoyiphinda Farouk uqeda ukuthola the awards le lifetime development coach manje in South Africa they gave him because of he produced so many sibuyada abokhune babuyada the list goes on Isaac Mabutsa Nhlanhla ngikhuluma ngecoe team whereby Mushin bekathi mangathi ngifuna idefender manje uFarouk admi Mushin bekuyifeeder so bring Farouk and hire Opitso mfethu simple and then give him budget and then Opitso uzosho lona ngibanidi ngicela ukuletha le physiotherapist I need a assistant. I'm then Nhlanhla give it 2 years. That project, not now. I see event football in Nhlanhla, and then.
But another thing is that, like Michael Usho, the way I'm a passionate Kaizer Chiefs fans are corner, ne? But in Kinga guys, is that they lack patience as well. Noma bangaleta uban, do they have the patience to actually allow that coach Ozongena to actually win whatever trophies and whatever that needs to be won?
Mara Nhlanhla singamane sibasukele ilabantu ba patient Nhlanhla. Ba patient. Yazi mangisho kanjalo ba patient ngithini. Angeke ukuthi club yakhe idlala kabi kanje bese uba neplug lokuthi uhambe ukhuluma ngayo straight uzupayise. Understand? I think kulento wakhe ayishoyo uright. I-Chiefs they must bring in a coach ezothathela, because you know ama-coaches amaningi kula maclub wona nhlanhla kwenzakalani, like ayacontrol. You understand? And then enye into engayithandi ngalama foreign coaches kakhulu, angeke manje uzofuna ukuthi uyofuna i-foreign coach izobuild i-Chiefs, umuntu ongazi next anything about South African football, anything. You understand? When you talk about abantu abafana nabo Coach Pitso, abantu abayaziyo like ibhola la South Africa ukuthi like into enjani, even nakusasa noma bangathi bamnika ijob, he knows ukuthi kusasa ngasayina bani emarket. So when bringing a coach again, uzohamba uniyomsayinela futhi as a manager or as a director or as a what, still izobuyela lapho nhlanhla.
Another mistake abayenza is signing players before the coach. It's a big mistake technical team at club.
Because the coach ayisho ukuthi that's the material
because
I want to
even
use.
alama player lama ngabheka unabi how many players they brought there. As much as we pointed team, siyazi ukuthi naye vele mina the identity how he plays, but the players uthole lama player lawada high core. It was signed by management the Chiefs. So kune jive enkulu eklabini ayikusi jive ifoundation kunenkinga enkulu, the culture impande zeklab ijive kakhulu inhlanhla ehlahla sikwazi ukuma.
Junior, no, Michael, like we were supposed to go on and on and on and on. But do you still say the second half, your league is still going to Sundowns?
In fact, ubabonile after beating MCLJ, I think that's where they turn the corner. But beat MCLJ, they beat Orlando Pirates, and then they lost against the Chiefs Galaxy. But obvious badlala nge-second stream mara ngeke ngenze excuse amara bheke manje ngale game ababuya kuya over the weekend phela they were pressure there. Pirates after winning 3,
yes,
going to that game, it's pressure cooking outlast this cocoon.
it was, and there was a brace that was scored in that game. Umfana uhlezi ukhuluma ngoRenas uthi uRenas scored a brace in that game.
Rena's Club World Cup, did you see what he has done? Yazi i-Sundowns kuna certain position abaphethe quality players, high profile positions. Ngikhuluma ngomgwena ubhekele number 6 eshalo mfana. And we talk about Evergreen, the player that is professional. He performing high profile games. There's Grant Kekana center back, there's Ronan Williams. Up front, if Uliana gayenzi, he scored 2 against Orlando Pirates. If agayenzi, Renas will come. So ubhekele my position, there's Marcelo Allende there in the midfield as well. You understand? So if agayenzi, there's Jaden Adams, which is the boy's second round of the season, something else. So nabo abanye abantu abangasayini nje leya club player mina ngisasho mfethu inhlanhla mawugoliath mfethu everybody want to beat you to be consistent phela kubunzima uclimb up marenzima kakhulu is to maintain there. So Sundowns asishaleni izandla mfethu mancane inhlanhla yabona mina ngifeni abantu abenza into ezigreen noma ngasingosi yami biological engosi yakho inhlanhla mhlawumbe umntana kesidungela mina will compliment yabo. Even my kids, if is a biological child wami wenza into ebheke eceleni awulithela hlala la lento yenza i-out. Yeah, I compliment Integren because it benefits national yonke. Yeah.
All right, Michael Junior, guys, askisinge isikhathi sesishayile, but we will be back and we will unpack more football reviews for you. We'll talk about what happens in teams, what's going to happen, because we are still going to the World Cup. But this is it for now. This was an episode on Junior Kanye TV with myself, Nhlanhla Sitshele, and the dynamic duo Yaset Davidson, Uaga no Zizo. We will see you again in the next one. Remember, this episode was brought to you by World Sports Betting, WSB, #bet with the best. Thank you, Siabo.